Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable downloading Drive. So you want to disable or you want to turn off downloading for shared. Here is a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do, you have to locate a particular file that has been shared with anyone in your folder. So currently this file right here has been shared because it shows that shared. That's the shared icon right in front of it. So for me to turn off download option for this file, I have to right click on the file. Once I do the right clicking, then go to shared, and another window will pop up, and click on the share plus icon. Click on the share plus. Then right here I must make sure that the general access to this file is only set to be a viewer, not a commenter or an editor. If they are a commenter and an editor, they can simply add a comment or add a make a changes in the file. So I can only set to be a viewer, and after that then go to the gear icon at the top, which is the settings. Then make sure you turn this off, which is viewers. For this, viewers and commenters. Okay, viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print and copy. So which means if uncheck this, so they can only view but cannot comment or download and print anything about this file, and that's it.